Hello dear students, I welcome you to this brief introductory video on MOOC that is focused on Indian administration. Students, in rapidly changing technological environment, MOOC has emerged as an widely preferred option for smart learning. The word MOOC stands for Massive Open Online Course, and this group of words has certainly proved to be giving an extra edge to traditional methods of learning by students. In context of developing world scenario, the MOOC has made quality education available for everyone. Students, as you know, the study of Indian administration is part of core course in BA under choice-based credit system, that is CBCS. This MOOC has been conceived with the view that it enhances the understanding of students regarding various aspects of Indian administration. As a matter of pride, India is not only a democratic nation but also a welfare nation. It is impossible to understand the culture, growth and prosperity story of India without understanding the role of Indian administration in this country. This MOOC covers the topics right from historic dimension of Indian administration to future possibilities in this field. The objectives of this course are to provide not only the information but also the analytical approach to the students regarding historic evolution and socio-economic and political context of Indian administration. The role of Indian administration in development of India, the organization and functions of many administrative bodies, and the possibilities of change in the role of Indian administration in future. Now let me talk about structure and main features of this course. This is a course holding 4 credits and it has to be covered in 12 weeks duration, including the assessment component. It includes learning from video lectures, reference material, assignments, discussion forums and weekly assessment, etc. Students are expected to watch recorded videos first and then read e-text material. This self-instructional material with illustrations and presentations help students to learn in a better way. Students are needed to solve the assignments which are given to them at the end of each lecture. The discussion forum has been developed for raising doubts and clarifying them on a near real-time basis by the course coordinator or his team. The weekly assessment consists of multiple choice questions, short and long answer questions and quizzes, etc. The students are required to pay full attention to each and every component of this learning process. All the activities scheduled on weekly basis facilitate the students to plan their studies in a systematic manner. So far as the course outcome is concerned, this course would prove to be an efficient supplement to the traditional methods of study of Indian administration. The use of interesting graphics, animations and other e-content would enhance the quality of course delivery. A variety of multimedia provided in a learner-friendly manner to students would develop a better understanding of Indian administration. Students, I hope you will enjoy the course and benefit from it. Thank you very much.